Hi everybody, I'm Mark Wilson. I'm with TapeTech Tools. We're here at the Suwanee National Training Center.
Hola, buenos días. Soy Carolina. Estamos acá desde el centro de entrenamiento en Suwanee, Georgia.
We're here at our National Training Center, and we have offered for quite a while, but we're offering again monthly training here at our National Training Center. Now, this is the only training center in existence for continuous automatic taping and finishing tools.
Queremos dejarles saber que nuevamente estamos ofreciendo entrenamiento en nuestro centro en Suwanee. Estamos ofreciendo este entrenamiento una vez al mes. Somos los únicos en la industria que tenemos un centro de educación.
This center is monthly. We have events here every month.
Cada mes, sí.
And I'm going to flip it around. We actually have some customers here, a couple of great guys that came in from Myrtle Beach. That's from Myrtle Beach, yep. So we got Rodney and Toby. And you guys got anything to say? We were glad you're here. You went through the class. We do 2 days, and we go through all the stuff. But you got any comments, anything?
The class is very educational and very helpful.
Okay, perfect. Good stuff. Yeah, appreciate you coming. Yeah.
You got a great facility here, and you got great instructors and training is amazing.
Great, thank you. And you can see the guy behind him. He's always here. This guy's a fixture. I'm just going to show you here on our schedule. We have, if you go to the website, you can see the monthly classes that we offer, and you can register online.
Estas son las fechas donde estamos ofreciendo entrenamiento. Pueden registrarse en nuestra página de internet. Esta información y las fechas también están, todo está en la página y cómo registrarse para el próximo evento.
Awesome. Well, look forward to doing more. We're going to get back doing live. We used to do quite a few live sessions. We're going to get back to doing that. We've got lots of new information coming out, so stay tuned.
También queremos dejarles saber que no solo ofrecemos entrenamiento acá en las instalaciones, sino que también vamos a los job sites, vamos a las obras y ofrecemos entrenamiento allá. Toda esta información la pueden encontrar en nuestra página web.
I think we actually have an international job site coming up, right? International. So stay tuned. Keep in touch with that. Thank you all for being TapeTech customers. And again, check out TapeTech.com for all of our great products. And as well the training that we do, whether it be on site, we come to you in English or Spanish trainers, or we also have monthly events here at our National Training Center in Suwanee.
Okay, gracias.
Gracias. Thank you so much. Everybody be safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.